Hello everyone, how to towards back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change your introduction or a bio or description in Kfriends application. So you can see this is the home page of Kfriends. So what you need to do, you need to tap on the here my page right bottom corner and tap on the edit profile, and again tap on the edit my profile, and then you can see one line introduction. So you can call it like bio description anything. Then you can write anything with this word. I just like, hey, hey, I make a video. I make video. So you can type anything and then simply tap on the save. And you can see this option is perfectly added here. So, okay, friend, today's no more, and thank you for watching.